UK government is proposing to let tech firms use all of our copyrighted work to train their AI. Let's talk about it. So firstly, this headline feels a bit clickbaity for me. So let's jump over to the government's website and get it straight from the horse's mouth. Now, the government has started a consultation which will run for about 10 weeks ending in February, and the aim of it is to get more information from us, the great unwashed, companies and other experts before making a decision. Why are they doing this? Well, me in a Christmas hat, there have been attempts to create a voluntary AI copyright code of practice, but would you believe it? Companies didn't follow those. So now the government are stepping in. The goal of all of this is to support innovation and growth, which we all love, while ensuring creators are fairly protected and get paid for their work. And I know it's not totally relevant, but kudos to whoever made this brilliant graphic. That all sounds great, but how are they going to do it? Great question, me in a Santa hat. None of this is confirmed, but the idea would be that creators can control their work through a paid licensing agreement. AI firms must get explicit consent from us to use our data, as well as say what data was used in the data set they used to train their AI. God, that was a complicated sentence. And any AI generated videos or images or whatever have to be clearly labeled as AI generated. Well, that sounds like the absolute bare minimum. Why haven't they done any of this up till now? Well, me in a generic winter hat because I'm running out of hats. It would appear there was no incentive or financial reason for them to do these things, so they didn't want to. But now they're being forced to. There's also some really cool stuff in there about protecting people's personal rights, like preventing deepfakes. Because, and to put it lightly, the laws on those right now are not good enough. So is this going to help the situation? I mean, maybe. It's a bit early to tell. Personally, I think Pandora's box is open and we can't really stop tech firms from using our creative work as their data set. So if we get paid for it, that can only be a good thing. However, I would like some sort of residual rather than a one-off payment or shares in the company, because then I get paid in sort of dividends down the line. But I can't see either of those things happening. What you can do is, if you want to have a say in this, you can email your local MP and say, this is what I think of this, and this is why I think you're doing it wrong, or this is how I would prefer it to go. So if you're a creator, get on that. You've got plenty of time over the Christmas break. Or you can chat to me about it and we can have a good faith discussion in the comments. What do you think? Do you think this is actually going to do us any good? Or do you think this is going to just be another hoop that companies need to jump through and we'll see none of the money? Any and all comments are massively welcome. Let's talk about it. Bye!